Hey guys, another recipe that I baked for breakfast. I baked a very nice cake. Guys, welcome to my channel. This is DISHINABECKY. I do cooking vlogs in case you're new here. Welcome. Thank you so much for my subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for your support. Kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel in case you haven't subscribed. Here I do cooking vlogs. So if you like cooking, guys, welcome. Let's bake this cake. I've used 4 eggs, as you can see, guys. I've added 1 cup of sugar, and I'm giving this a quick mix. Make sure they're well combined, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add vanilla extract, and then milk, which is 1 cup. Then I'll give this a quick mix. Make sure also they're well combined, so that I can get a good, nice and good cake. I'm using hand mixer. You can use a fork if you don't have a hand mixer. If you have a electric mixer, is the best because it's easy to mix. So we'll add margarine. My margarine is also 1 cup of margarine. So guys, I encourage you guys to bake a nice and fresh cakes at home, and I love baking. Then we are going to add 2 cups of self-raising flour. I love a self-raising flour because you don't have to add any other baking agent. It's ready to make. So I've added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then that's a custard powder that I had in my kitchen, just 1 tablespoon. I decided to use it on this cake. Then first I'm sieving 1 cup of my self-raising flour, then mix, and then I'll add the next cup until and then mix until I get the right paste. So guys, welcome to DISHINABECKY. Kindly at the end of this video let me know what you think about this recipe. Do you bake? Do you love baking at home? It's very easy, guys, so make sure you bake some this season for your family. I do bake even bread, so guys, make sure you go check out my other recipes. I do home cooking, so home vlogs. I'm full of home vlogs, so make sure you check me out in case you're new here. So we'll mix this until you get the right texture of the paste. So guys, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. So guys, these ingredients mostly they are found in the kitchen, so make sure, guys, you bake at home. Don't buy cakes. Bake at home. There you go, guys. I got the right paste, as you can see. So I've already oiled my tin, so we'll put this paste on my tin, and then we start baking. And my oven is warm already, so we'll finish, and then we put it in the oven for 40 minutes under 170 degrees. And then I'm gonna be topping up with a cinnamon. I'll mix cinnamon with sugar. Yeah, this is what I'll use to top up my cake, just to give it a nice flavor and a crunchy top. So that's what I'm doing. This is just cinnamon powder and sugar. I've mixed it both, and then that's what I've done topping up. So putting this in the oven, and then we wait for 40 minutes. Here you go, guys, my cake is ready. As you can see, this is cinnamon on top. As you can see, it gives this cake a very nice flavor. And there you go. just a simple cake for breakfast. You don't have to go buy cakes for your kids now and then because they love cake. You can bake at home. So let's cut it and see how it is inside. It's still warm, it hasn't cooled down well, but let's just cut because I believe it's cooked. So as you can see, it's hot. There you go, guys. Our cake looks really nice. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure you go try this recipe. I'll leave my ingredients on the description box. So thank you so much for watching. The cake was yummy and we really enjoyed. Thank you, guys.